Welcome to our job in Ivanhoe. We've done a 2-bedroom ensuite powder room extension with a retreat. We've cladded in the 75mm Woodsman Weathertex cladding, which I think really looks great and sets off the landscaping of the house. Hi, welcome to our Ivanhoe extension. This is the perfect example of the jobs we do. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, second-storey extension. Let me show you around. You're in the retreat area now. We're walking through to the master bedroom, walk-in robe and ensuite. This job is hopefully 2 weeks off defect stage. We can do a final walkthrough and get painters in. You come back into the retreat, very generous, spacious bedroom with great views outside. I think this job is really looking very good. I'm really looking forward to showing you through this. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom extension upstairs, new kitchen and refurb as we walk through. Let me show you through. So we come in here to an open new kitchen, steel doors are going in. Staircase to upstairs and bathroom. In a couple of weeks, this should be ready for paint and looking really nice.
Just wanted to give you a bit of an insight as to what's up and coming. We've got the kitchen install coming in next week. Again, this whole space is going to now be kitchen with a lavish size island. And we've also enticed and matched in the curved shelves around the features to tie in with the rest of the Art Deco home.